In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete DoorDash account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. That means your profile, saved addresses, payment methods, and order history will be removed and you won't be able to get them back. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you can receive a verification code via email or text. You'll also want to ensure you don't have any active orders in progress because once you delete the account, you won't have access to it. Start by opening your browser and heading to DoorDash.com. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the Account section. On desktop, you'll typically click your profile icon or name in the top corner to open account. If you're on mobile web or you see an Account tab, tap that to get to the same place. This is where you'll find your personal details and settings. Next, locate Manage Account. Click Manage Account to open your main account controls. This is the hub for privacy and security preferences, and it's where DoorDash places options for closing or modifying your profile. Take a moment here to confirm you're working in the right account, especially if you've used more than one email address in the past. Inside Manage Account, look for the Delete Account option. Select Delete Account. The platform labels it clearly, but it might be near the bottom of the page since it's an irreversible action. When you choose it, DoorDash will start a short verification process to make sure you're the person requesting the deletion. DoorDash will send a 6-digit code to verify your identity. Depending on your settings, it may arrive by email, text message, or both. Open that message, find the 6 digits, and return to the site to enter the code exactly as shown. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure your phone has a signal. For your security, never share this code with anyone. Once the code is accepted, you'll see a final confirmation screen. Click Confirm or continue to complete the deletion. This is the last checkpoint, so read the prompt carefully. After you confirm, your account will be permanently deleted and you'll be signed out. If you ever decide to come back, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. That's it. You've successfully removed your DoorDash account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.